The water never cares where you live. It doesn't care about anything. It's gonna flow and do whatever it wants. Just remember, don't give up. Because after all of this, it's gonna be so fresh and green. Everything's gonna be refreshed, ready to go. Got a river on, I'm gonna use my little feather I found here. There's a river on the other side, and that floods and fills up the pond and resets all of this in summer. All of that nutrients, remember, it's going into the ground. It may look rough now, but it's gonna be beautiful soon. There's hope. Hang in there. Help each other out. Remember, that water don't care. Life don't care. But if you're strong, you can do it. Who are you if you can't even walk on gravel? I've been doing this since I was a kid. Wake up. Walk on the gravel. Bring your fucking senses to life, right?